Today we're gonna test the crankshaft position sensor on this Honda. After it's getting hot, the engine will not start until it's gonna sit for 2-3 hours. We're gonna use oscilloscope technology for this test because it's more easy to use than any other scope. So we're gonna connect the ground here. We don't need to connect the power, only if I'm using the special probes. Then we have 3 channels. Bring this closer. Let's see. That needle goes straight in my finger. Shit happened. Okay, let's see. We're gonna connect one pin. This is the signal wire. That's painful. Okay, don't cry like a lady. So number 1 is gonna be signal. Then we're gonna have number 2. I made a bit of short, just a bit. Didn't blow the fuse yet. So yeah, we still got the power here. Okay, so we have the signal nice and clear. Let's make it bigger. So we have number 1. We're gonna go to 0.5 volts and we're gonna move it a bit up to have like a clear signal. We're gonna hit the record. What I like about this scope is that it's gonna record for how much space you have on hard drive. And then you can just fly back to see the captions.